A very good morning to all my dear children. We are in the chapter Parts of a Computer. In this chapter, we will be learning today keyboard, mouse, monitor, central processing unit, the 4 key important parts of a computer. In our previous class, we have learnt about how does a computer work and its functions and how important it is for the CPU. Today in this part of the video, we will be learning about keyboard, mouse and monitor. Tomorrow we shall be learning about this central processing unit. Let us begin with the main part, keyboard. Keyboard is an input device. What does it mean? Whatever we type the data and instruction into the computer, we can type it with the help of a keyboard. In a keyboard, there are generally 104 keys. And these keys are divided into different groups. There are 4 different groups of keyboards. Function keys, which starts from F1 to F12. The number keys, which starts from 0 to 9. The special keys, which are plus, minus, multiplication, greater than, less than. And the alphabet keys A to Z. So this is the keyboard, which you can see on the screen, is a generally used keyboard. Whatever we type in the keyboard, we can see on the monitor. A monitor looks like a TV screen that displays the work that we do on a computer. Monitor is also known as a visual display unit, and it is an output device. Why? We can see an output on the monitor. The information that we see on a monitor is called soft copy because we can only see, we cannot touch it. So there are difference between a soft copy and a hard copy. When we take a print, it is known as a hard copy, and when we see something on a screen, it is known as a soft copy. There are 3 different types of monitor. CRT, which is also known as cathode ray tube, LCD, liquid crystal display monitor, and LED, liquid light emitting diode monitor. Cathode ray monitors are no more in use in today's generation because it consumes lots of electricity. The most common monitor which is used is the LED or the LCD. LED is little bit expensive and LCD is less expensive compared to the LED. These 2 monitors are generally used in today's generation. All the 3 types of monitor are in use, but mostly in today's generation, LCD and LED are used. Now coming to the third part of the computer, which is mouse. Mouse is also known as a pointing device, which is connected to the CPU by a cable. Can you all see the image, children? It is connected with a wire. A mouse usually has 2 buttons on it. Right button and a left button, and in between there is a scroll button. With the help of the scroll, we can make the page up, move the page up or down. Generally, we use the left button. And for the right button, when it is used, it has a specific instruction like selecting, copying, or some other specific instructions. It also helps to draw pictures. It is why known as a pointing device because it helps to point on the screen. When we move a mouse with our hand, the pointer on the screen also moves in the same direction. That is why a mouse is also known as a pointing device. Today in this part of the video, we learnt about keyboard, mouse and monitor. Tomorrow we will be learning about the central processing unit. What are the different parts of central processing unit and how it works. Thank you, children. And please subscribe to the channel for more information and don't forget to press the notification button. Bye bye and take care.